I realized family law impacts where children live and how families function probably when I was very little, considering my parents were divorced. Custody factors in the state of Michigan were things that I was observing since childhood. How do we divide assets fairly? Because you have just as much rights as your spouse. This does not have to be a war. It doesn't have to be a battle. And the more you agree to, the easier the very painful process of divorce will be.
BBA Law was built from a refusal to lose. That mindset came from my parents, who are immigrants. My parents built everything from nothing, so they didn't have any second chances. They had to get it right the first time. And so I approach estate planning that way. The work that I do today for families help them protect what they have when and or if something goes wrong.
I have 3 younger children, have 2 teenagers actually, and I have a 4-year-old daughter. If I was to pass away, what would I pass down to them? If I have a wife, what would I pass down to her? That was my biggest concern. I also had a custody issue, going back and forth between parents, between overnights, between children activities. It just became very difficult. BBA got both my custody issue and estate planning perfectly in order.
So the relief is the real deliverable, because every family has something to protect. It's not just about wealth.
We care about your case, we understand what you're going through, and we understand that your anxiousness and your anxiety are a real thing, and we take that seriously, and we want to help you. At BBA Law, what I do is I try to hold my client's hand through a thunderstorm or a hurricane, and we weather the storm together.
The best time to protect your assets or your family was yesterday. The second best time is today. Give BBA Law a call, right? The call takes 5 minutes, but the peace of mind lasts a lifetime.